I'm Osama Sayed. So today I'm gonna be unboxing two H&M t-shirts. Is one waffle texture, as you can see the texture, and the other one is a black knit texture, which is a bit of smooth texture. I want to let you know one thing, that this t-shirt I'm wearing right now is from H&M, purchased 7 years ago. I'm making this video to let you know that, like, if you're looking for something durable with a reasonable price, just go for the H&M instead of going for some other brands which cost way more than the H&M and doesn't really last long. Who wanna waste the money? I will suggest, like, this is my bit of advice to my viewers. Like, if you're looking for something good, then I will suggest go for the H&M.